Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing a quick review of the Kopdkes wireless lavalier microphone set. This is going to be an unboxing and a basic review of this, and we'll do a few tests and everything like that as well. So the first thing we're going to do is just go ahead and open this. See what's in here. All right, here we go. So we've got two lavalier microphones. They've got a built-in windscreen on them, a little bit of plastic over the, I guess this is probably the receiver. There is a built-in clip on these right here. This is going to be your receiver that plugs into your phone. And going over this, what we've got here is your normal iPhone lightning jack. And then nice feature of this is there's also a lightning jack right here on the side so that you can charge your phone while you're recording. So two of these are identical, and these are both supposed to work at the same time. Okay, the cord's not very easy to get to. There it is. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we have a single USB cord that goes to a, let's go ahead and undo this. It looks like it plugs in a dual. Nice. Okay, so single USB cord to a dual USB-C. So to operate these, what you're going to do is go turn it over like this, and there's going to be a little power button on the back. You're going to press that power button. A light's going to come on like this. It's going to be flashing red and green. And you know what? I just took these out of the box, so it's actually pre-charged, I guess. Once this plugs into your phone, now I'm filming this with my phone, so I can't do it, but once this plugs into your phone, there's going to be a little light right here that goes to green. Once this is plugged in, this turns on. As long as this is plugged in right here, this goes to solid green, and you know that you're ready to record. To turn the microphone off, you'll hold this button down for a few seconds, and it's off. So according to the manufacturer, each one of these microphones can go for 8 hours on a single 1 hour charge, which honestly is pretty impressive. So you've got 1, 2, so theoretically you could go for 16 hours if you were using them singly. If you had two people using them, of course, it would be 8 hours. I'm not going to test that. I can't think of a single situation personally that I would ever need that kind of time for, but perhaps you do, and perhaps that's something you need to evaluate. So one upgrade that I would suggest doing to these is to remove this windscreen. And what you're left with right here is a 10 millimeter diameter. This is your microphone. And what you can do is go ahead and get one of these dead cat, so-called dead cat windscreens. I'll post a link to these. These are the ones that fit 10 millimeter. There's a little pouch in here. It's right in there. And the way you put it on is just to go over it like that. And it kind of snaps into place right over that head of that thing. It's elastic on it. And that's going to be a pretty nice upgrade right there. I've never been a fan of these type of foam at windscreens. I will go ahead and put a link to this exact item in my description as well. And now let's go ahead and take this outside and do a few sound tests with it. So I'm at 5 feet away right now, and what we're going to do is go ahead and do a test on these. I've got the microphone on right now. There is a lawnmower cutting in the background. There's some cars going by. There's dogs barking in the background. There's an AC running over here. It's actually fairly noisy outside, so we'll just go ahead and I've got these stakes set up on the ground, behind me. So what we're going to do is 5 feet. That's going to be 15 feet, and then I've got one at 50 feet as well. So let's go ahead and do it with the microphone. So this is going to be the first test at 5 feet. Here's what it sounds like at 15 feet away. And finally, here's what it is at 50 feet away. Okay, now I'm at 5 feet, and I've gone ahead and removed the microphone and removed the transmitter from it. I think if you leave the transmitter in and you turn the microphone off, it'll just be no sound at all. I can't confirm that, but I'm pretty sure that's what happens. So here is the test from 5 feet away. This is just with the iPhone. This is an iPhone XR. iPhone XR is the microphone. Here is a test from 15 feet away with the iPhone XR microphone. And the same volume here is a test from 50 feet away. And finally, here is a test at 65 feet with the microphone. It looks like it's still connected to it. The green light is solid right now, but I won't know until I edit this video. And finally, let's go ahead and test that both microphones work when they're on. I've got both green buttons lit up. So testing, 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 testing. So now let's go ahead and do a test with the dead cat on and see what happens when I walk around with this and see if there's any loud noises or anything like that. Thanks for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you found this video useful. If so, and you want to see more videos of reviews of gear like this, other things that I'm interested in, and DIY videos as well, go ahead and hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks and have a great day.